Hey guys, my name's Cheno.
My name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. Today we're back in El Nido and we're going island hopping on Tour C. Let's get it! So today is day one here in El Nido and we're actually going island hopping like I said. And we're with my family.
Somewhere.
I thought they were right behind me. But I'm so happy that my family is here for a little bit with us in El Nido to go exploring and island hopping.
So we've actually done this tour before and we're going to be exploring beaches, islands and also a shrine as well. I think it's going to be a long day. We're kind of prepped for, but we'll see what's going to happen today.
Alright you guys, we've made it to the beach and my goodness, El Nido is looking good, hey.
Yeah, I can't see anything, it's so bright. But it's so beautiful, nice and sunny, which is good. But yeah, I'm so excited for today's tour.
The weather is looking incredible as well, so sunny. Bit of clouds, but nothing to worry, honestly. So this is gonna be one heck of a day.
A few moments later.
We're about to hop on the boat, but you've gotta like trek the water. So we're gonna get pretty wet before we even go on the tour. So, yeah, the fun starts right now.
Our first stop, which is Cagbatang Island, and I just want to quickly mention that we're touring with Ape Tours
That's
El
right.
Nido, and we've actually toured with them in our past El Nido trip in May, and honestly they're just the coolest tour agency here in El Nido.
And wow, what a beautiful day here at this island. Look at that guys, the clear freaking blue waters. I know that's so like cliche, typical in the Philippines, but that is that's beautiful.
We actually haven't been here on this island before. I think it's like new on this tour, right?
Yeah, they mixed up the tours a little bit. So why don't let's hop off and let's check it out.
Ninyo po ma'am.
Ninyo.
Yes po ma'am. Ninyo sa umaga, ninyo sa gabi.
Oh my goodness. This water?
It's crystal clear.
It's what?
Crystal clear.
We're lost for words. It's beautiful, you guys.
It's nice and cool too because it's so freaking hot here in El Nido today.
You're probably like, wait, you've literally been to so many island hopping tours in the Philippines. Why are you acting like this? We've been in the rain for the past month.
Yeah.
A bit cloudy, you know, gloomy, heavy rains. So we're so excited to actually, and we're just grateful to see these kind of waters again here in the Philippines. It's always so good and feels so alive here. So yeah, we're excited to be on this island tour. Guys, Cagbatang Island, is that how you say it?
I think something like that.
Cagbatang Island, I think that's how you say it. It's actually quite nice, you guys. And we're lucky because it's a Monday, no one's really here.
Yeah, it's just our boat today, which is so cool.
I know.
We pretty much have the island to ourselves.
Yeah, so we don't have to fight for space on the ocean, in the sea. We can just enjoy the snorkels as we do. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful palm trees. I love that view.
How was your swim?
Honestly, it was so refreshing. It was good to finally be submerged like fully in the ocean.
Did it wake you up?
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I'm not really tired to be honest. Slept kind of alright, but I was just so excited to finally go on the island hopping tour here in El Nido. How about you? Did you enjoy?
I was mainly just staying by the shore, just taking videos. But I actually really like this island. Like it's pretty much secluded. Like I mean, like we said, there's no one here.
It's just
but
like
us.
It's just like on the side of this mountain cliff. It's so awesome.
They're calling us now, so we're gonna hop on the boat and go in our next stop. So we made it to our second stop today, which is Secret Beach. You obviously cannot see it from behind us, but it's hidden behind this limestone mountains.
Yeah, look at that.
So there's actually towering limestone mountains, but we're gonna have to go through like a tiny hole
Yeah.
to get to the beach.
Yeah, there's a little hidden beach, bit of sand, bit of water. I've actually been there before, but let me try and fly the drone so you can see it from above. But first, this portion of the video is brought to you by Snap Wireless. So here we've got the Powerpack Universal, which is perfect for travelers like you and me, because as you can see, we're literally charging our devices as we're island hopping here in El Nido. Like, how crazy is this? This is the Powerpack Universal, charging my drone, my camera battery, and my phone. So it's got a couple of inputs, USB-C and USB-A. It's even got 2 built-in cables, a lightning and a USB-C. On top of that, we've got wireless charging for your mobile devices. So check out the link in the description to know more about Snap Wireless and use code chenogoes for 5% off. All right, let's get back to the video. In here, we're actually surrounded by massive limestone mountains, or rocks, not mountains. Mountains right there. But this little hidden beach, right? Secret lagoon?
Secret beach.
Secret.
Yeah, secret beach.
Secret beach.
Hidden beach.
So
Hidden beach.
this hidden beach is secluded within the limestone walls. So it's pretty crazy. So you can see the beach is over on that side, and here is the little hole that we went through. This time around, it's not as crazy wavy. But the first time I was here, I was struggling trying to get through the hole here. So thank goodness it was like calm waves today. We can easily go inside Hidden Beach. Secret Lagoon? Secret Beach. I don't even know. But yeah.
So now we're on to our lunch spot, which is here at Talisay Beach, and there's actually quite a bit of people here trying to have lunch as well.
Yeah, everyone's having lunch here.
The whole time we were like on the boat before, they were actually preparing the food already.
Yeah,
so
they're cooking.
now they're just trying to fix it up on the table, and it looks so fresh and it looks so yummy. Are you hungry?
Yes. Yeah, I'm starving.
So we're gonna have food very soon. Look how they transport the food here. They have to use the kayak because it's a little bit deep, but the food is just there. They're putting it on the table, so I think we're gonna eat very soon.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness.
We got our food now, literally just sitting by the beach here.
Yeah.
And look,
Look at that
so
spread.
colorful.
Yeah, so here's mine. There's quite a bit of barbecue, bit of seafood, some greens, of course rice. So yeah, that's what we're
Gotta
having.
fuel up for the rest of the day.
So with the Ape Tours, they actually feed you like 3 times. That's why we actually kind of recommend them, because you know, especially on long full days traveling out here in the islands, like you're gonna get freaking hungry. So
Kain na!
all right, so my family is here. Here's my mom, baby Simon, my sister's fiance Jake. What's going on? And Arta's over there. My sister's over there. So what do you think of the tour so far?
It's good.
Yeah?
I'm enjoying.
Enjoying it? He hasn't been to El Nido in like 5 years.
Yeah.
Right?
I used
Good
to be
back?
so little.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
like this short.
Smaller than her.
Small, yeah, smaller than mom.
Now
Are you guys
I'm
enjoying the
still-
tour so far today?
Very much.
Yeah?
Love it.
This is your first time here, right, Jay?
Yeah.
What do you think of this tour?
Kind of reminds me of Fifi Islands.
Oh yeah,
But
you've
yeah,
been there
similar
recently,
vibes,
huh?
yeah.
How about you, Dad? You enjoying it?
Yes, of course. Second time in
El Nido?
El Nido, but it's a different atmosphere.
Yeah.
I like the atmosphere, and then I like the party.
How about you, Ma? What's your thoughts? Does it feel good to be back in El Nido?
Yeah, I love it here. It's
Yeah?
just so peaceful and the food is yum. And of course, important thing is I am with my family.
Wow.
Yeah, I visited Cheno and Alex. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
already a plus point.
Thanks, Ma. Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, I'm actually so full.
Yeah.
I ate so much fruits actually.
Yeah, the fruits here are so like
They're
ripe.
so sweet. It
Jeez.
was so good.
Freaking love it, huh?
I have a food coma now, so I'm just
Time to
gonna
sleep?
relax.
Time to sleep? But
Yeah.
look at the view though, like, damn.
That's so nice.
That is our lunch spot today, you guys.
It is so beautiful.
Feeling so grateful right now, super blessed to be back here with like incredible weather. So you definitely have to try out. I think Tour C.
Tour C.
I think Tour C is actually quite nice. I mean, it's just been mixed up over the years. They change, you know, what stops you're going on which tour. So yeah, we're kind of having a blast, and we're so grateful for the good weather. Oh shoot, let's. I just slid. Pero kaya naman. Kaya na yung. We're here at the third stop of our tour, and it's called Matinloc Shrine. So I've been here before. There's like a shrine right there in the middle, where you can actually climb this limestone cliff as well, or this limestone rock stone. Anyway, you can climb this thing and have some epic views of the ocean and the surrounding limestone mountains here in El Nido. So why don't we go and explore this place?
So there's like a little pathway where you can walk up to the shrine. It is actually blocked by this massive limestone.
Yeah, look at that.
And I think we're gonna climb that one, right?
Yeah, that's right.
But we'll walk up to the shrine first. So it's the shrine of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. That's what it says. And they've actually built like establishments here too, like
Yeah, legit. But I'm pretty sure this
houses.
Pretty sure this place is abandoned though.
Oh,
Pretty sure. They've got crosses there. Okay, and then here is the main shrine, I guess.
It's on the other side.
Yeah, let's have a look. Let's walk around.
So we're just about to climb up the stairs. I think it's all the way to like the viewpoint, and where you can take photos. Because I think it's just a nice view from up there.
Yeah.
We're gonna go.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Are you asking me?
I'm like unsure if I want to go up because it's a little bit steep, I think.
Yeah, actually it's quite steep.
Yeah.
It's so steep. And I've just got slides on. Totally forgot to bring water shoes. So that's my fault. They actually carved out steps on this limestone hill rock thing. So it's easier for you to step and walk up to the view deck. So yeah, this is what it's like. There you go. There was a bit of a traffic jam over here, but I think the viewpoint just about there. 5 years ago, this like the steps here, the steps down there, and even the platform where they're taking photos gets so packed, literally super packed. Everyone's like shoulder to shoulder. The way Ape Tours is doing the tours is they're actually going from the last stop to the first. So that way we're not with everyone else. There's probably 10, 15 other boats doing the same tours. Every stop we've been going to, except for the lunch,
spot, yeah.
like it feels like it's just been our boat showing up on these locations. So props to Ape Tours for doing that, because we really get to enjoy this without too much chaos. Very steep, you guys. So you gotta watch your step. Don't vlog while you're doing this. Okay, here's the view. It looks crazy. Damn, look at that, you guys. Sharp rocks right in front of you. And then it reveals the ocean, the mountains. We've got an ultra wide lens here, so it looks kind of far and small on screen, but it's actually quite crazy.
So this is the view. It's a bit sketchy actually. Like I don't recommend, I guess, elderly to come up here, and potentially kids. Look how sharp the limestones are. Like it's kind of scary.
But if you're capable, you can definitely enjoy a view here. Like look at this. Look at that. Babe, look. That's actually quite nice on camera. I mean, even with your own eyes, it is stunning, you guys.
Look how calm the water is behind me. That's actually crazy.
Yeah. I can't get
so
enough of
vast.
this view.
Yeah.
Alex doesn't like it though.
Okay. To be honest, I don't really like to like climb dangerous things like this. And for like, it is a nice view. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's definitely not a tough like trek or hike up this rock mountain. It's just it gets busy when there's a lot of people. I mean, for a good reason. This is a stunning view. So
A few moments later.
whew. Damn, ain't that a view? That's looking like paradise right now. Sheesh. You enjoying today so far, babe?
Yes.
Except for that climb up there.
It wasn't too bad, but I'd rather stay at the beach. It's so nice.
Yeah, for sure.
I feel like this is like, maybe right now it's not as like peak season. Obviously it's not summer in the Philippines, but there's genuinely not much people here.
Yeah, that's right.
Normally like there's so much birds whenever we do these tours.
Oh, 100%.
But right now there's literally like, I feel like we have it all to ourselves every time.
I know. This is actually the perfect way to enjoy El Nido island hopping. When you get lucky that there's not many boats, or literally just your boat going around all these locations.
We made it to our fourth spot, which is Secret Beach. So we actually have to go all the way around. It's a little bit wavy now, so we're just gonna wear our life jacket just so it's easier for us to get there. but we're gonna bring our snorkels too. Hopefully
Yeah.
we see something. Unfortunately, we actually cannot go. They advise us not to without proper water shoes.
It's so wavy right now, and it's very rocky as well. So if you're trying to balance with no water shoes,
yeah.
you're probably gonna get cuts under your foot
Yeah.
and around your leg and stuff. So that's the third time for me, second time for you missing Secret Beach. God damn it.
So we highly recommend bringing water shoes if you do have one, or hire at the office as well for 100 pesos, which is totally
Yeah.
fine. All right, so right now we're just gonna show you the view of Secret Beach from up above.
Okay, you guys, that ends today's tour, today's vlog. Thank you so much again to Ape Tours for tagging us along, as well as my family on this tour.
We had such an amazing time. They really took care of us today, and I think
Yeah, so much
Cheno's
food.
family had so much fun here.
Yeah,
as well.
that's right. They haven't been in El Nido for about 5 years now, 4 or 5 years. It's been a long time, and that was such a good first trip back here to El Nido for them. And so, yeah, I mean, what a beautiful way to end this day. Sunset, back in El Nido. Damn.
So if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in our next vlog.
All right, bye guys.